everybody. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make questions using subjective pronouns, be verbs, and contractions. Let us take a look at some of these sentences. Now, in order to make questions, you always put the be verbs in front. Let us take a look at some of these sentences. I am a student. I'm a student. The contraction is I'm a student. Am is a contraction of I and am. And the question will be, am I a student? Now, if you notice quite well, while saying this question, my intonation went up. Am I a student? List of possible answers? No, I am not a student. No, I'm not a student. Am is a contraction of I and am. No, I'm not a student. Yes, I am a student. Yes, I'm a student. Let us look at these sentences. I am a girl. The contraction is I'm a girl. And the question will be, am I a girl? Or if I were addressing her, it would be, are you a girl? Possible answers? Yes, I'm a girl. Yes, I am a girl. No, I am not a girl. No, I'm not a girl. Let us take a look at more examples. He is a teacher. And the contraction is, he's a teacher. She is a doctor. The contraction is, she's a doctor. The question will be, is he a teacher? Is she a doctor? Possible answers? Yes, he is a teacher. Yes, he's a teacher. That is a contraction of he and is. Yes, he is a teacher. No, he is not a teacher. No, he isn't a teacher. Isn't is a contraction of is and not. No, he isn't a teacher. And the answer for the other question would be, yes, she is a doctor. Yes, she is a doctor. No, she is not a doctor. No, she isn't a doctor. Isn't is a contraction of is and not. Let us look at these examples. It is a dog. And the contraction is, it's a dog. And the question will be, is it a dog? Is it a dog? Yes, it is a dog. Yes, it's a dog. No, it is not a dog. No, it isn't a dog. Isn't there is a contraction of is and not. No, it isn't a dog. No, it's not a dog. It is a contraction of it and is. No, it's not a dog. More examples. You are a boy. And the question will be, are you a boy? The be verb comes in front. Are you a boy? Possible answers? Yes, I am a boy. Yes, I'm a boy. No, I am not a boy. No, I'm not a boy. More examples. We are teachers. Are we teachers? Are you teachers? Possible answers? Yes, we are teachers. Yes, we are teachers. No, we are not teachers. No, we are not teachers. We are here is a contraction of we and are. No, we are not teachers. No, we ain't teachers. Ain't here is a contraction of are and not. No, we ain't teachers. More examples. They are friends. In order to make a question, the be verb comes in front. Are they friends? Are they friends? The intonation here goes up. Are they friends? A list of possible answers. No, they are not friends. No, they are not friends. No, they aren't friends. Yes, they are friends. Yes, they are friends. All of these answers are correct. In this lesson, we learned how to change subjective pronouns into questions. Remember, to do this, you have to put the be verbs at the beginning of the sentence. To improve your pronunciations, your spoken English, or personal one-on-one speaking, you could always get in touch with me through my email. It is right there in the description box. Bye.